we came to Home Depot and we're gonna buy our Christmas tree. Here we go, off to find our little tree. How cute, look at the little reindeer.
This one's actually kind of nice. It's just kind of like skinny on top.
I just don't like the fact that, like, why does it look white?
But isn't it nice?
It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty full, honestly, around.
Right?
It's full, but it's also sparse. I, like, want this one, but it's just way too tall.
We're gonna have to cut it like 2 feet.
We'd have to reshape it. I don't know, it's not giving. I like the tallness and the skinniness, but I don't think this is the one.
Oh, these are nice right
They're better.
You like the way it smells?
Yeah, it smells good on us.
Maybe over here on this side? Of course.
Here's our big tree.
These are big trees.
Look how big that one is. Look at Rain, how tall it is. We found the winner. It's perfect?
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. Okay, we got the tree attached to the car. Looks so cute on my car. Okay, we got the tree in. She's a little large and in charge. What do you think, Rain?
It's perfect.
It's perfect? Okay, if Rain says it's perfect, it's perfect.
Round and around we go, mamas. Just be careful, jump over.
Okay, I just warmed up my little hot chocolate. And I don't have any whipped cream or anything to put inside of it, but it's okay. And then we have our little tree. It's so cute. I want to trim the top a little, and I think we're gonna need more lights, but just for tonight, we kind of spread them out a little bit. She's so cute. I love Christmas. And we are actually watching Last Christmas. If you guys have not seen Last Christmas, like, you seriously need to watch it. It is one of my favorite movies. It's like a love story, but it also has a plot twist. If you've never seen it, just watch it all the way through. We're gonna finish watching this and sit by our little Christmas tree.
That was beautiful.
My favorite time of the day. I just got home right now. I have an Amazon package. I'm so excited. I will always be amazed at how fast Amazon delivers things. Like, I ordered this today. Granted, they did have like the same day on this one, so I was able to, if it was like over $25. So I'm like, where do they keep this stuff? But anyways, so these are my little pillow covers, and I'm so excited to see what they look like. Down here, I bought a little trash can for the restroom because our restroom's a little small. We needed a small little trash can, and I know it's a trash can, but like, it's so cute. So it's perfect for little spaces, which, like I said, our restroom was small, so I just needed a tiny little trash can in there. But this basically just goes over. It's cool too because it has like an open and close, so like when you don't want people to see, you know, hit the top and then it like bounces open. It's a cute little trash can. I mean, it's tiny, but it's honestly perfect. And then these are the pillowcases. So I didn't realize how similar, I guess, it was to this pillow, but I do want to get a pillow cover for these because they're getting a little bit old. We've just had them for a long time, but this is the pillow cover, and I had these little pillows that I don't really, they look kind of gray and I don't like them. I didn't think these were gonna fit. They look smaller than I thought, so they actually might fit perfect. Okay, I know I got a lot of textures going on right now. What do you guys think? I can chop them too, which is great. I think they're so cute, and they're like the boucle like texture. I'm obsessed. I'll have them linked on my Amazon storefront in case you guys want to see them. They were two for like $22 or something like that. So they were a really good deal. So I just bought this wreath because I've been looking for wreaths for my door. And I wanted one that looked kind of realistic, but I didn't want to pay like so much. So what I liked about this one, actually, it was only $10, which was great. It has these like fake looking branches, which I don't really care for, but it has like the realistic looking ones also like intertwined. It makes it look pretty real. So what I'm gonna do, because I want to like light it up, I'm gonna put these little lights on there. They're like battery powered ones. And I will also have this linked in my like to know. That way you guys can purchase it too. I'm so excited because I went to Target. I found the little twinkly lights, which I originally didn't know if I wanted because I didn't know if they were going to be like annoying, like twinkling all the time. I just wanted to try them, and they're like literally $3 each, and they've been sold out, and I couldn't find them like anywhere. So I was like, I'm literally taking 4 boxes, and if I don't like them, I could just return them. They actually look very cute, and we're trying them. So we have them on the floor right now, but we're gonna put them on the Christmas tree and like once we're done eating. Okay, so we bought 2 of these, but the other one we tried putting together broke. So we got a second one. Finally arrived, so we're gonna build it right now. So we have the doors here. That's pretty much what it's gonna look like afterwards. This is where we're at. It looks like a little bench. We have a couple pieces left. Jeff doesn't know it yet, but after we're done building this, I want to put the twinkly lights on the tree. She's looking a little boring right now, and she just I feel like she just needed more lights in general, so I feel like it's gonna look so pretty. Okay, so we're watching Home Alone 2. It's new. We watch it like all the time, but this is how they look. I feel like it looks pretty good. Okay, so we put the little twinkly lights on the tree, and now it twinkles a little bit, which it's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit obnoxious. Still need a tree skirt. So we have a visitor. It's little baby brother, and he is just loving this tree right now. He's making a mess, but clean it. It's okay. But he's just so cute, brother bear. He just wants to stand, be a part of the show. So I'm trying to tinsel the tree, but I'm not sure if I'm going to like it or not. Guess we'll see what happens. This is the tinsel that I got. I got it at Ace Hardware, which was really random. It was cheaper than Amazon, so if you guys still want to tinsel your tree, I would definitely go there. Okay guys, what do you think? I added more. I still need to add some on the top, but what do you think? It's my first time doing this, so I have no idea. Okay, so this is the finished result. What do you guys think? I like it. Jeff, you approve?
I approve it. It's very, very pretty.
I think like putting ornaments on it would like overdo it. Basically what I did was like I grabbed all the bunch of like tinsel in my hand, and then I would take like a little, maybe like 10-15 strands, and then I would just kind of like drape it on the branch. And now this is the finished result.